If you've ever tried to write math equations in Google Docs, you've probably used the built-in equation editor. It works for simple expressions, but it can become slow when you need to write more complex math. If you write a lot of equations, this process becomes repetitive and slow. Every symbol requires clicking menus, which can interrupt your workflow. It is frustrating. Another approach is writing equations using LaTeX syntax, which many students and researchers already use. The problem is that Google Docs doesn't understand LaTeX by default. One solution is using a lightweight Google Workspace add-on that renders LaTeX equations directly in Google Docs. This lets you write equations much faster if you're comfortable with LaTeX syntax. This method is essential if you are writing complex expressions or lecture notes, assignments, research drafts, or technical documentation. If you need to update the equation later, you can simply edit the LaTeX and re-render it. If you'd like to try this workflow, I've linked the add-on in the description below.